This is what my Wealth Maximalist here. In this video, I'm gonna try to do something different and maybe try to add more value for new members. And on this note, thank you for joining the Discord community. Um, in this video, we're gonna talk about the market commentary for the May 12th week 2025. As we can see here from the all-time high, we had the breakout of resistance and we had a back test, and price now went higher. So this now is probably irrelevant. We can delete this line. Next thing to look for, this is the clear uptrend on the SPX. Price is now grinding. Maybe there's we had a wedge last week. We broke it, backtested, and we could backtest it again. But I want to delete this one too, because the important thing now, the major one, are if we pull back to take another test of the support, and what it could be depending on the news on the tariff situation with the US China this weekend, we could easily go and break and then go shoot higher. But there could be we could spend some time here trying to fill some space before going up. I think this market just needs one really good news, and it will break this line. So I'm just gonna look if this is as precise as it can be. Yes, this is valid. So we got 1, 2, 3 touch. So, okay, so 1, 2, 3. So this is support, this is resistance. So what we can see, if I delete this one, okay, people are calling this, it could be, I don't know if it is, impulsive, corrective, and we can have an impulse here. So what to look for is holding for now this red support, but it could also be an head and shoulder pattern. So the left shoulder, we got the head, and now we're just grinding the right shoulder before going up. So it's very important to look for this chart this week, and that's pretty much it for Tesla chart. Those who are in Tesla, well, we had the comfort breakout, 1, 2, 3 touch. We got a breakout, push. Is it gonna go and try to backtest a bit, give some new entries or late entries before pushing up? I expect price to push up, because if we look on the 2-week chart, this is super bullish. This is clearly a bottoming pattern. Look at the wick. The buying volume is huge. This is a hammer. This is a second hammer. And price could now go to the try to fill this imbalance here at 255, 260. I think that's what is in the card for next week. So Tesla is a top watch for next week. If you want, you can play TSLA, which is a leverage ETF for Tesla. I got some targets here. I don't know if it will reach this, but I had the around 20, which was volume imbalance too. After that, some of the big plays we got. This is a pretty nice one, because it's less correlated with of course the tech and everything. This is SBSW. This is a gold miner, platinum miner, and palladium miner. We can see Price has a normally decline and then we push. Price had a big decline and now we're ready to push. So it's an asymmetric risk because this is at the lower end of the range. And if we compare the S&P, now it's at the lower end of the range too, but it already run up so much in the past few years. So if there's a capital rotation event, this is what something that could be very, very interesting. The first target would be around $8. Okay, so we can clearly see the resistance here. This is on the monthly. So from where we are, we got about 55% gains, and the second one would be it's around $12, and we got 143% approximately. That would be the next target. We can see here the resistance, the body, and then there's probably like the reverse symmetry move. It's gonna happen over time. A sip of coffee. CDE. This is a silver mining, and this is another huge play. People should be pretty excited about. We can clearly see this is a long-term chart. So this is 1996 and we are now in 2025. So now it's the monthly. I got the monthly chart, but this is really interesting. We got a weekly close now above the resistance, a 29 years resistance. If we even get the monthly in 3 weeks above, this is uber bullish. So that mean we are at $7 now. I think it will run for years. So let's say minimum target would be from, let's say, 7 to next resistance around 20. So 1.5 times my money. I will take it, but I think it would go much higher. If we look at the weekly, that's a pretty huge week. We expect some at least some retracement this week. We'll see, but along the way there's gonna be we're gonna have some opportunity to join the movement with a better price. Next thing to look for, this is Palladium, and that's a trade that I'm in, and I wanted it to break on Thursday and Friday, but it didn't. So as you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. We got a clear wedge formation. Is price looking to come back here and then go? I don't know. That's why I got some position, but we can clearly see too we got the channel here, the bull flag. Price is just, look at the perfection. Price is so compressed. I don't know if we go pullback, or if it closes above here, then it's gonna run very hard. So that's another huge play that I'm looking at to get more heavy. So that's pretty much it, guys. We got a clear resistance on the SPX. Just a small recap. That could be a head and shoulder that might take more time, okay? And then we could go higher. Tesla, look for a small pullback. If there's a deal with China, it might just go gap up and run. After that, SBSW, same thing. We're gonna look for a better entry and more on on pullback. CDE, same thing. I'm looking to add on pullback. Palladium, same thing. Looking to add if we got more time, but it could just shoot up and go up. Nike, I forgot to talk about Nike too. I just bought some on Friday. I thought 1, 2, 3. I thought that would bounce. I don't know if it will bounce on Monday, but we can clearly see 1, 2, 3 at the bottom. 1, 2. So that's a perfect channel. Gonna look on the weekly. We just need the whale to get back in. I don't know it's when it will happen, but we might need to fill some space here, and then it could go up. This is gonna get close. This is really gonna run when we clear the blue resistance. We got 1, 2 touch, 1, 2 at the top. Could it get one more here? I don't know. Maybe it's possible, but I really like what I'm seeing here. This is a good company, and now we have. Let's see on the MACD, but not the MACD, the RSI. Yeah, you can see buying a great company when the RSI is it's went below 30. That's always a bargain. So I'm trying to accumulate here before the whale jump back in. So that's all for the market commentary. Again, thanks for the members or new members to join that are joining. We'll see, depending on the price action on SPX, we might be ready to add some more exposure to current position and let the swing trade play out this week and the next few weeks too. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. Have a nice Sunday.